Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome back to this channel, or welcome, where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. I'm JAHVAY GAYLE, and for more information about me, you may check the description box below. Remember, it's 5 o'clock Jamaican time every morning, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, we are reading from Luke chapter 11, from verse 29 to verse 32. When more and more people start to crowd around Jesus, him say, the people them in at that time are one wicked set of people. Them ask for one sign, what if it prove say a God send me? Them not get none. The only sign them are get are something like what did happen to Jonah. Just like how Jonah did one sign for the Nineveh people them. I see him so the man where God pick. I got be one sign for the people them in at that time, yeah. The queen will come from Sheba in the south. She go come back alive with the people them from that time, yeah. She go sure say them wrong. Cause she did come from far, far just for hear the wise thing them what Solomon have to say. But look here, somebody were bigger than Solomon, the right here so. The people them from Nineveh, I got turn up on judgment there with the people them from that time here and show them say them wrong. Cause when Jonah did warn the people them did sorry for what them do and change them ways. But look here, somebody were bigger than Jonah, the right here so. A God what this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.